Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Puntush Toys. Lion. Lions are the only cat that live in a group. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. Next animal is elephant. Elephants are the world's largest land animal. Next animal is cow. Like humans, cows are social beings. They cannot see the color red. Cow is a farm animal. Cow gives us yummy milk. Next animal is buffalo. Bulls use their horns for defense. Bulls are highly intelligent animal. Our next animal is horse. Horse can sleep standing up. Horse can't breathe through their mouth. Horse is a domestic animal. Next animal is giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest mammal in the earth. Giraffe can stand half an hour after being born. Giraffes stand up pretty much all the time. Giraffes don't need much sleep. Tiger. Tigers are the true kings of the jungle. Tigers are fast runner. Tigers have fake eyes. Tiger hunt alone at night. Next animal is cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest land animal on earth. Cheetahs can't roar like tiger. Cheetah. Next animal is sheep. Sheep have an excellent sense of smell. Sheep are very clever animals. Sheep is a domestic animal. Next animal is panda. Panda can swim and even climb up the tree. Pandas spend a lot of their day eating. Bamboo is critical to their diet. Panda. It's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye kids. Thank you for watching.